This is week 12 and 13 video. Children have previously learned how to complete double and triple digit addition with regrouping. Continue to practice with them, and they have also learned how to take away from the 10 in the previous week video. Now, as part of the week 12 and 13, one of the pages they need to do is this page, page 50, where this is a good test of the understanding of place value. For example, 130 at what makes 139. Now, children who have been doing partitioning will probably recognize that 139 is made of 130 plus a 9, so the missing number is 9. Now, earlier in the week lesson, they have learned about process of elimination. For example, 30 at what makes 39, okay, or 30 at how many more makes 39. One way of doing it is you put 39 on the soroban and you take away the smaller number. Remember, we were matching one flower to one butterfly and that kind of thing, and the answer is 9, and therefore this 9 can go in there. This is the same with this question, where basically you can say, okay, if you cannot work out what the answer to this box, then you can do 139, then take away 130. Now, some of these questions are pretty good in making sure, in checking whether children understand the place value. For example, this question, 171. So 100 at how many more makes 171. Now, if they're good at partitioning, they'll work out that this is 100, which match this 100. Whatever not match will be the answer, will be the 71 in here. Okay, apart from that, they will also need to learn double-digit subtraction with regrouping. For example, this question 33, take away 19. Now, previously we were doing 13, take away 9, which 3 not enough. You save it in your pocket, go next door, which is use a 10. 10 take away 9 is 1, and then add this 1 back to the 3. Now, we're going to go further than that, and hopefully from here, then they will do 3-digit subtraction with regrouping. So first of all, let's do this. This is split this into 30 and 3, and split this into 10 and 9. Remember that on the subtraction, I feel that it's much easier that children were to do the tens first, then do the unit. Okay, and the reason is you make the number smaller. For example, 30 take away 20, you got 20. Sorry, 30 take away 10, you got 20 left. Okay, now then we need to do the units. Okay, 3 take away 9 is not enough, therefore we save 3 in our pocket and go to next door to borrow 10. Now 20 borrow a 10, we borrow this 10 to take away the 9. That will be 1 left. So what we got left is 10 at 3 at 1, which is 14. We can use the method to do big number subtraction, such as we got 360 take away 170, for example. Again, split this into 360. Split this into 170. Do the hundreds first. Okay, 300 take away 100 is 200. Now what happened? We got 260 take away 70. Now number are getting much more manageable. Now 60 can't take away 70, so save this in your pocket, go next door and borrow 100. So 200 borrow 100, then you end up with 100 left. Use this 100 to take away the 70. Sorry, becomes 100 and 100. Use this 100 to take away the 70. What you got left is 30. So now you got 100 at 60 at 30, 190. Okay, and we can do another example. I mean, this is a good method, I feel, to do subtraction with regrouping, which can become very tricky. One other thing that it can show the children, for example, do 100, take away 55. This is often confusing. What happened is, this is 100 and 55. So that is 50 and 5, that is just 100. 100 take away the 50, there's 50 left on here. Now you just left with 50 take away 5. Again, borrow a 10, 0 is not enough to take away. So borrow 10 becomes 40. Save the 40 and borrow 10. 10 take away 5 is 5. So the answer is 45.